Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. Today is the long-awaited review of the Bimmertech Alpha 1 and Matt's BMW M4. As many of you know, I've put the Bimmertech Alpha 1s in my F10 and I've absolutely loved them. We now installed them in Matt's car a few months ago. Today is the review, and eventually for my F10 I will be adding the Bimmertech Alpha 1 amp, so there'll be a review and install video on that, so make sure to stay tuned for that. If you're looking to buy any of the Bimmertech speakers, I'll have the link down below. Also, don't forget to check out our website, EM Performance, where we sell NBT Evo retrofits, tuning, keys, Apple CarPlay activation, and much more. We'll get on about the NBT Evo and these speakers in a minute. But before we do, give this video a huge thumbs up and consider subscribing. All right, getting into the review and what I think of these speakers. Basically, after having them in my F10 and then hearing them in Matt's car, they do sound quite a bit different. I'm assuming that's just due to the structure of each car. One's a coupe, one's an M coupe, the other's a big sedan, one has more sound deadening material and the other's more sporty. They sound great in both cars. The M4 with the old Harman Kardon speakers sounded better than my Harman Kardon speakers, I think, but the Bimmertech Alpha 1s definitely shine in the M4. They sound way better than the Harman Kardons. The biggest note, the biggest difference I'll say, is the subwoofers. The subwoofers add a huge punch. Even though you're not increasing the amperage at all, because it is the same amp, there's no difference there. The sound of the subwoofers, the output is so much more punchier. It is, if you guys are in a budget and don't know which to go for first, if you're saying, should I get the speakers or should I get the subwoofers? Get the subwoofers first, then go back and buy the speakers. Second thing, if you are wondering if you should replace just the front speakers with the Alpha 1 kit, do not. They will sound funny. Do the front and rears. They just, something's lacking when you do it. The reason why I know is because we did the fronts in Matt's car, and you can tell that there was a difference. I didn't like them as much, so I definitely recommend replacing all of your speakers. But if you're in a budget and you're in a pinch, go for the subs first, then go for the speakers after, and you'll absolutely love the upgrade. It sounds amazing. Everything just sounds clearer. They're not necessarily louder. That is very important to distinguish. People think they're going to get this kit and it's going to sound louder. It's not going to be any louder. Reason why is because you're not changing the amp. If you want your speakers to sound louder, you need to throw more power at them. That's where getting a new amplifier would help out a lot, and that would increase the level of output from the speakers, and you'll see that soon in my F10. We'll do a comparison video. The reason why I'm not doing a comparison video right now is because all you can hear is, I'll put the speakers on for you guys so you can hear them, but all you'll hear is through YouTube compression and everything else. You won't be able to tell. But if I use a sound decibel meter with the new amp, you will hopefully be able to tell a difference. Okay, we're going to play some music. Hopefully you guys can hear something, maybe. I don't know. Just, we'll see. Everything just sounds so crisp. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about is some of the settings and tweaks that we did to make them sound better. This is more Matt tuning it for his car and his liking. This is kind of what he did. One thing that we really recommend, and both of us are pretty firm about this, if you're upgrading from the HK speakers, shut off Logic 7 Surround. They'll sound a heck of a lot better. And generally, these can be pretty flat. But as you can see, this was increased a little bit for Matt's taste. Something else I want to note, and something that we've been seeing a lot of installs, this car came with an NBT, and it was since upgraded to an NBT Evo. When installing an NBT Evo into a car, your sound quality is better. The processing unit that's sending the signal over the MOS fiber optic connection sounds a hell of a lot better when coming from an NBT Evo than an NBT. So if you guys are looking to upgrade to an NBT Evo, again, link is down below to our website where you can purchase them. You will off the bat notice a sound increase, and pairing that with the Bimmertech Alpha 1 speakers makes a huge difference in terms of sound quality. So there you go with a little sound clip, and right off the bat, just listening to that sound clip again, the bass is excellent, the highs are excellent, the overall sound crisp and clarity that comes out of the Bimmertech Alpha 1 speakers is superb. So if you guys are scared or don't know if you want to pull the trigger and scared to spend the money, I telling you guys with confidence, pull the trigger, buy them, you will not regret it. It's very easy to install. As you saw, I'll have the install video linked down below. But in terms of the performance for price that you get, these are a plug and play drop-in system that sound excellent for what you're getting. Anyone can do this at home. Bimmertech even includes a nice little toolkit so you can install everything yourself, and you will not be disappointed by the sound quality. This is just a short little review. If you guys have any questions at all regarding this upgrade, drop them in the comments down below. I'll be sure to answer them. As I mentioned, if you guys want an NBT Evo kit, that's really going to be the icing on the cake if installing these speakers. Our website will be down below, EM Performance, where you can message us and we can put together a custom kit based off of your VIN. I will also have Bimmertech linked down below for you guys to purchase these speakers, and pretty soon you will see the amp install video on my F10. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We are trying to crank out more YouTube videos. I've been missing making YouTube videos, so I'm really trying to get back making them. If you guys have any suggestions on things you want to see, whether on my F10, E46, anything like that, or just general BMW content, let me know and I'll be happy to make a video on it.